Angle sum and exterior angles of triangles. So a triangle is formed by 3 line segments that intersect only at their endpoints. A point where the segments intersect is called the vertex, just the points of the triangle. Every triangle has 3 angles, and the sum of those 3 angles, the measure of those 3 angles, is 180 degrees, always. So, if we're missing an angle, like in example 1, find the value of x and ABC. So we take the sum of the 2 angles that we do know. So 66 plus 52 gives us 118. Then we subtract that number from 180. So 180 minus 118. 62. So that's how you're finding your missing angle. If they all add up to be 180 degrees, you're just setting up an equation, sort of. So what we're going to do is we'll do the first 3 down here together, because this is kind of easy and y'all can get the hang of this really quick, and you've done this before. So we'll do these first 3, the first row, and then you'll do the rest on your own, and then you can get your work page. So number 1, we've got 82, 75, and x. So we know all 3 of these should add up to be 180. So add 82 plus 75 together first.
Wait, subtract them, right?
Add those together first.
It's 100.
Okay. So then we've got 157 plus x equals 180.
So wouldn't you divide them?
Now you subtract
Yeah.
them.
23.
Good.
Actually, it's 32.
Or 23.
32.
It's 23.
Or 23.
32.
Mostly just 23.
All right, you owe me $5. You got it right.
What?
It's 23. I said.
Then on the second one.
90 or 80, 90 or
Okay,
90,
good. So we've got
33.
x 43, and how do we know what that little square
It's a
is?
right angle.
Right angle.
It's a right angle.
90.
So it's 90 degrees.
I got that right.
So 90 plus 43 plus x equals 180.
47.
I got it's 47.
47.
Okay.
What is the answer?
47.
So those 2, Chris, those other 2 angles added together is 133. So then we subtract that from 180.
What's your wrong story? Yeah. No, I said 47. Yes, he said 47.
So 47 degrees.
How did I get it wrong? You said 74.
So wait, you put the bigger number in front.
You said 74. I said 47.
Okay, last one. 45 plus 40 plus x equals 180.
95.
I said it first.
Brett, shut up.
Hang of it. Oh, killing me.
This is really hard, actually. 59.
Okay,
What's last one?
95.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so work the rest of these